Hello, good and wonderful people. Welcome back again. It's your girl, AB World Entertainment. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Depends on the time you guys are watching me from. Today, I get to topic where I want quickly address for here. The first one about this video when I use the see so about the video where they for vandalize this girl face, ear, and head. So now we want to talk about this video now from Lagos, Nigeria. Now if for happen how all this yahoo boys be wan use am for ogun owo. And the second video na be this our Edo actor wey they call Mr. So him name na Mr. Agbe for Edo movie industry. He don act for a very long time for inside Edo movie. In the act a lot of movie. So this man now, when I come across this picture for Facebook yesterday, I was thinking maybe in a movie, now in the art, you understand, because the way he take down for there, the thing come shock me, say, waiting Mr. Egbe comes one break come outside again, say this movie would be interesting. But unfortunately, I was so shocked when I now see it in another post that a shop na e born. You understand? Say shop burn down. I say, shop burn down. Now he come down for here. And they come say, now the only surviving shop where in get be that one. And I know say all these actresses, they not too they get money if they know attach other business joiner. And apart from acting, the movie industry not too they grow like that. You understand? Even before, it not too they grow. Talk less of now where they don't even come divide themselves into 10 parts. You understand? So if you even see 3 or 5 people take act for a movie now, you will be the best actor. You understand? So now you be that because they don't divide themselves. If they say me they come donate money for the industry, give the man, they know they play. So everybody else they do in you they go. So who want to donate money? Now the 5 people wey get as a member wey take the act, now want to donate money for be which one. So now it's okay. Make I just bring the matter come here. May I beg my people, my fans and other fans, say I beg Mr. Agbe wey be Edo actor dey in need of money, and not be only money wey want to eat na be this one. He say in dey in need of help. Say in shop, he want to take in shop go back again. So they say the shop burn about 2 days ago, which is on the 13th of June. This very month, how fire they enter the shop we don't know, but all the goods wey dey inside the shop, all of them burnt down. You understand? So nothing as soon as they see the shop. So now the only thing when I even see for the picture when I screen touch now fan. Now I see for there my people. So I was so shocked. I said, God, wetin dey shele? Wetin happen to this our brother? Because when I first see him, I feel say maybe na art in our house. But until when I come see him for another post, they come write and come outside say na shop. So may anybody wey get any little money may assist. If na 1 naira, if na 2 naira, I beg may they assist Mr. Agbe. Say he really need our help. So my country people, I beg now I say this man who na dey see so for Benin industry movie na peanut na they collect. As I earlier talk, they share themselves into 10 parts. So they know they in good terms with each other. Whether na jealousy I will call them me, I don't know. But as I dey talk now only we the fans now we fit see assist this man. Any little thing where you get a hand to just to keep body and soul together, because that movie now not be saying now just their calling like that, but just to keep body and soul as I earlier talk. So if now 5 euro, 10 euro, 20 euro, 1,000, 2,000, may this man take bounce back to a fit again. In get wife, in get children where they care for. In still get family where still they look up to her. Him say their brother na actor, na star, na superstar, na celebrity. So and the end now this shop wey cover the whole thing, dey again. So I beg my people, make una pull body and hand together. May we take assist this our brother, may come back to in fit again, my country people. So now I say make I come talk. And for here now you can still put a account number and your name as well. So anybody wey want help across the across the country, you understand, you dey within Nigeria or outside Nigeria, please, just to help this our brother. He's on his knees and we are still pleading, including me. Anything we get, we will take assist. And so as you do so, God will surely bless you, because God loveth a cheerful giver. I know you people have been doing before, whenever we come on platform to call people to come and help people. A lot of people immediately, they will just, even though the story is real or no, they will just start giving. You understand me? Your pocket never run dry. So I be that my country people. So let's help our brother Asinte Nidan for here. Say I beg, he not get, he na family man. So please, let's come out in a number and put smile on his face again. You understand? So for a full man to be kneeling down like this, you will know that he really in need of that thing. Please, my country people, help out. His phone number is here, and I will still put on for the Ton's name, that is the cover picture, make everybody see his phone number and his account number. So if you want to call him personally before sending him money, please do, for you to know. May video the place, because a lot of people say na true. So now, so I see the matter, my people. Make we waka enter the other video we will get for today. Now, I know say na 2 video we get for today. So the other video we will get for today now about that lady where they almost delete, if not for God will rescue her life. So she said around 8 p.m. for evening, she take go Lekki Toll Gate. Let me say she go do protest for Lekki Toll Gate on the 13th. Now this one see happen for Lagos too. So as she dey go now, she dey inside car. Maybe she dey go her house. So now she enter a cab. As she enter cab, unfortunate, another car double cross them. As she double cross them, now so the car take bail up there. So immediately the driver just quickly park, because if you see who big pass you, you will respect them. So now the driver kukuma just park. As the driver park, now so they all take give the driver for hand, tear all his body. That one dey one corner. So while we dey read this news, the lady come outside, come tell people, say me everybody dey careful. Say town not good though, Nigeria no be the country we know before. As she dey inside the car, the next thing, after they don stabbing her driver, they just switch her into their car. The driver off. The next thing, they carry that sharp something where they take the cut meat for kitchen, begin to divide her breast. You understand? So from there now one come talk say, this one where you dey even dey cut for inside, e no big o. They say na over syllabus. I dey read this news for those people wey get over syllabus. Abeg, make you know the kind car wey you dey enter. If you know say you get big breast, because they say na big breast na they come dey find now, no be small tertiary breast. Na breast na save this our sister. Na the main reason when I dey read the news be this one. So if you get big breast, abeg no dey waka anyhow for Nigeria again. Or if you find something, take time. If you go outside, make e not too big. And all those our sister wey dey pump breast, now we go they do new breast, now they add another one. So now they come for now. You understand? Because now waiting this our sister your report give us be this one. Say they say her breast too small, now it save her. So if you know say you they add breast, join your breast, we God give you, or you still get over syllabus, no they waka, they take bodyguard, they waka. And the truth now they tell you now, because for the I will leave the video, make una listen to her. He said na her breast na save am, because say she get that kind not be Sokimango breast, so that small as I want to talk all those Onitsha mango, that small one. Now like that one she get, as they hold and then they can say, oh my God, this one will carry us reach 3 months for the money where they want to take and do. You understand? Because Baba tell them say the one way get that make industry, oh now they find. So now they report to. If you know say you have that kind of make industry, or you see they add, especially all these actress where just touch money small, now go they add oyibo silicone join una. Make una take time for inside Lagos. So Lagos boys they vex, my people. So as dem try to cut, na the other one tell am say abeg this one baba say if we carry this one come na 3 months 2 months na this one go last reach, so just kukuma just leave am. Na dem take leave the girl, but before dem leave am dem make sure say she suffer for the sin for carrying small breast to this world. My people, una don hear that one before. Before dem leave am make she go, she suffer for her own sin wey she no commit to, for bringing small breast to this world. Na she suffer for. They use that knife to vandalize all your body. So please, I'm reporting it to those that have overseas labors. Please be careful out there in Lagos, Nigeria. Now this news for they come. So my people, I know what to tell, make I leave una, but I just give una a sound warning because I'm waiting the rain for Lagos now. Now you tell una. I will see una for another video where you know what to tell. I remember una humble sister, AB World Entertainment. Stay blessed and remain blessed. Bye everyone. See you in my next video. Choose.
We are not secure anymore. We are not secure anymore.
Failed government. We are not safe. Are your friend?
Please, be very careful. This is what they did, to my friend. Oh my God.
Are your friend?
You see, after collect her phone, collect money, collect everything, we almost killed her day. Government, they say, we are not secure anymore.